Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will talk about how to earn $80 every 10 minutes just by watching videos. This is the perfect time for you to start earning money online by simply watching videos, which isn't a boring thing to do. You might want to look into these people who are earning money in real time and receiving payments for every video they watch. What's more, it doesn't require any special skills and anyone can do it. However, as a disclaimer, this isn't a full-time job, so think of it as a side hustle. Before we go into the video, it's important to know that this isn't your standard approach for generating money by viewing videos. It's a little unusual, and you'll need to follow every single second of the lesson to properly set things up. You won't know what you need to do if you go ahead and it won't help you at all. The first step to do is go to youtube.com, where you will be paid to watch videos. However, before we do so, you must first sign into youtube.com, which I will show you how to do. To log in, click sign in the upper right corner of the page. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. If you don't already have a Google account, go to this page and click create account. On the next page, put your full name in these two boxes, as well as your new email address. Finally, as a confirmation, input and retype your password in these two boxes, then click next to continue. When you log into your YouTube account, the Explore button will appear on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll want to click it on the next page where you'll have to choose a game. What this will do now is show you the gaming videos that are performing particularly well and receiving a large number of views. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. It doesn't matter which one you choose as long as it is well liked and popular. And because the gaming industry is so vast and popular, you can't go wrong with any game. When you choose any of those games, you'll now be able to find individual videos and they all have a lot of views that are growing over time. You should now exit this page and head to the second website that we'll be utilizing to get paid today. The second website that I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com, and it's a location where you can make money by shortening the URLs of a specific video. As you can see, the first step is for you to register an account, after which you can shorten any website's link and get paid. Ever wonder why they will pay you to shorten links? Here's the answer. When someone clicks on a shortened link to any website, not simply a YouTube video link, they will be taken to an external page with adverts before being redirected to the intended destination. The website earns money through advertising, which is similar to how YouTube earns money, and the odd money is split between the individuals who simply shorten the link on this platform. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. It's time to return to work and start earning some money. This is what you'll do when you first get on the site. And as you're probably aware, you'll need to create an account before you can do anything else. To sign up, go to the upper right corner of the website and click the sign up button, which will take you to the screen where you will input your username, email address, and password. Check this box and then click the register button below to complete the process. Here you may also see your overall number of views, referral earnings, and average CPM. Simply click on the new shortened link right here and paste it into this box to shorten the URL. Finally, once you've made a decent amount of money from those shortened links, you can withdraw it by clicking the withdraw icon to the left after you've created an account. All you have to do now is shorten links to earn money, and we will be shortening links from YouTube videos, so you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos. And now I'm going to give you a money-making tip. I guarantee it. Focus on live videos and you'll see greater results and make more money. Simply click on live here to have YouTube only show you live videos, and that's all there is to it. The next step is to open any of them, such as this one, and And to find the video's URL, simply click on share over here and copy the link. Then return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then click on shorten below to complete the process. Make at least 3 videos using this method. Just keep in mind that reducing as many links to different videos as possible will help you earn more money. Now that you've shortened multiple links to various videos, it's time to bring them all together. The only thing lacking is your traffic source. In order to be paid, you must get people to click on your link. So how do you do it? Don't worry, I'll provide you with 2 major traffic sources. The first is steamcommunity.com, where thousands of postings about numerous games can be found. And the site attracts millions of monthly visitors because we want to offer shortened links to YouTube gaming videos. Because of these 2 characteristics, it's an excellent traffic source for us. To begin receiving clicks, you must first register an account on this website. After that, you must create a post on the site where you will share your shortened links. Consider how simple it is to make money online. All you have to do is sit back and wait for hundreds of thousands clicks from gamers and other internet users. Apart from Steam, you can also use moot.us to share shortened URLs. Simply do what you did with Steam and follow all the steps that I just shared with you, and you'll be amazed at the quantity of traffic that's going to come your way. And that's it! Do you want to share something about this topic? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!